All right, welcome back. So now what we're going to do is we're going to set up our module. So we're going to get a new module on our program, and we're going to Ethernet and communication and generic. We're going to create that. Okay, so we're going to just call this SR for scanner. We're going to put this at 100, this instant 100, 100, 100, 1. I know that the IP address is, I know what it is, 61. We're going to open up our module properties. You want to check that out. Okay, so we use unicast. We want to request RPI of 10, and everything looks good. So we're going to go ahead and create that. Okay, now what we need to do is focus on getting our EDS files. Okay. Now you can get your EDS files from Rockwell, but I found going to the OEM tends to be an easier experience for me personally. So what I did is I went ahead and went to Keyence, went to their website and found the sample program setup guides page, Control Logix, Ethernet, SR1000, and download right here. Now you will have to set up an account with this, with Keyence, but that's easy to do. Very easy. And then you'll have access to this download. Once you do that, find a place to download. I downloaded this to a file, Keyence file in my documents file. I will extract my files here. I'll open that up to 1000. There's my EDS file. Now what I need to do is open up my EDS hardware installation file or utility tool. Open that up, register a single file. So I'm going to browse to that. I'm going to browse right to the Keyence SR1000 EDS file. I will open that. And it's got it right there. I'm going to hit next. Installation test results. Next. There it is right there. Nice and pretty. And there it is. You would like to register? Yes, I would. Next and finish. Now, I have installed my EDS files. I've created a module. So let's go ahead and look at our, all right. So now what we have here is our RSU. So in order to set this up, which I've already done, but let's go ahead and take a look at it anyhow. Okay, so if I were to need to set up my drivers, I'd have my Ethernet running. I'm going to go ahead and configure it. Now what you'll see is I have my network set up here. Well, let's assume that I did not have this set up, this IP address. So I would literally just put in 192.168.100.61, hit apply, okay, and that's really all I would need to do. And I would end up being able to connect and have my gateway see my scanner camera. And really that's it. That's the gist of setting it up and having access, getting your module and your connection to it. All right, so let's go ahead and close this out. And if you have any questions, let me know. And let's get ready to move on to the next video. All right.